all the relevant related documents should be ready. Okay, all the all the assumptions, all the information, okay, regarding that work, all the dependency details, everything should be ready. Definition of ready. What needs to be in place so that the team can begin the work? What are all the information required to start that particular work? Everything should be ready. That is called definition of ready. Okay, all these things, 10 will be 10 points checklist will be there. This is done, this is, yeah, this is ready, this is ready, this is ready. Okay, finally, definition of ready is a checklist. Okay, so that all the information available to start the particular work. Okay, all the technical documentation ready. Yes, technical documentation is ready. All the database related. Yes, it is ready. All the assumptions. Yes, it is ready. It is available. Okay, all the dependency information. Yes, it is ready. So there is a checklist to make sure to start the work, all the information or relevant details are available. Definition of ready is a checklist to communicate and collaborate with the stakeholders about readiness of the work or progress. What is definition of done? Again, whether it is reached the goal or not. What are all the checklists? What again? That is again a checklist. Definition of done. But there criteria will be there. What is the that acceptance criteria? It is basically acceptance criteria. Definition of ready you can compare with the acceptance criteria. Okay. DOD is similar to acceptance criteria in predictive projects. What and all should be there so that I can accept this. That is the acceptance criteria. So DOD is similar to acceptance criteria. Okay, that's the definition written here. Reprioritization of sprint. Iteration backlog. What is that? The product owner and the team collaborate to move work items from a release backlog to iteration for upcoming sprint. Okay, there is a product backlog, or you can call it as a release backlog. From the total product backlog, they will be moving to the first release. These are all out of 100 items. There is a 25 items. This is the items that I should complete for this release one. Okay. So the release one. From that release one, that release contains 3 iterations. The first iteration is 7 items. Second iteration is 10 items. The third iteration is the balance items. Okay. This is the iteration. 2 weeks interval, sprint planning. Then during the review, it will get the feedback. Again, it will go to sprint 2. They will do reprioritize. Remember, I told you, it will move to the next. We will never extend a sprint. We will never extend a sprint. Instead of that, we will move those items not pending or not closed ones to the next sprint. In that case, what we have to do? We have to reprioritize. We have to give priorities to the previous pending items. So we do the prioritize, reprioritize sprint. Okay. Hybrid scheduling and models example. Project manager plans high-level project phase and milestones. Scrum master runs sprints using agile process. Identify project work types and try to break them down. Create a prioritized work backlog which fulfills project phase or achieve milestone. Work in iteration sprints or 2 to 4 weeks. Use shorter sprints for less experienced team to facilitate alignment. See, what we are talking about here is the hybrid, not the adaptive here. Here both. So here we will be doing based on the phases and milestones.